Good evening. My name is Tina Foster. I am working on my museum presentation for Module 5, and I'm going to be describing to you today the online virtual tour of the Guggenheim Museum, which is located in New York. And upon finding this museum, I found that they have lots to offer online. You can go to look at the visit. They have online resources. You can join and donate to the foundation. There's research you can look at, tickets to attend if you decide to go in person, and then there's shop online as well. They offer lots of online information. They give dates on the time frame of which century or what time that you would like to look into the art from 1860s all the way up to 2010s, which is very wide range of art from what I find. Different types of art as far as film, photography, installation, sculpture, internet art, work on paper, painting. And then you have your different types of movements here, which can be a range of things that all types of people would be interested in. If you're interested in any type of art, you have so much to explore here. And then the collections, if you're interested in a certain type of collection here on the frame here, you can look here and find those collections. And then here it gives more about the museums and venues that they have. If you scroll down here, you can see that they have featured artists here. You can look and see more of them. What is on view in New York and the actual museum. If you decide to go to the museum, you can go here and see what is going to be in view and what time frames they're in. Another interesting aspect I found was if you are into art history here, they have an art history blog. You can go here and find out and talk to people that are interested in these types of art or these time periods, and learn more and get to talk to people that are in these areas or not in your area, I say. And it looks like there's many pages here to go by. And then you also have here will be publications about collections. I found that there's a lot to offer as far as more education you could get on the art collections as far as books and so forth. There was one here that I found where you could join your membership. I want to say members, and there's video here about the Guggenheim and upcoming events. Somewhere here on their website there is also I want to say a class that you can take to come and learn about the art. Let's see here, online resources. There we are. Online course. So this is something I would say, I like to look at art, but as far as taking a class, I'm not so sure about that at this time. Although I think this would be something that my daughter would be interested in. She's 20 years old, so this would be something that she would be more interested in. She's been in art ever since she was just after she was walking, so yeah, this would be something that she'd be more interested in there. Let's let's see, and then we have, let's see what we got online, your virtual tours. So you can do virtual group visits. Find that good for any individual that's not able to travel or go in person. You can do it virtual tours for your schools and your classrooms. You can break it up into more than one tour, so they're all different types of exciting benefits for this year. Like I said, there's the virtual tour groups and then the blogs. I think we went over that there, or actually these are some difference here. So you have your checklists, findings, Guggenheim maps. So I find that there's a lot to learn about this museum here without even going and visiting. Because I'm not sure if I would travel to New York or not. It's not somewhere I thought about going. There are a lot of interesting places over there. For example, the Guggenheim. I did not know until researching that this was where it was located. But yeah, this is very interesting art museum that if I was never to be able to visit, I would definitely be looking into it online. And to say, if I had to think of the thing that was not going to be incorporated or has not been incorporated into this online experience with the Guggenheim, is that I like an experience that is virtual, I guess, more these days, that you feel like you're actually in it. And maybe I need what they call that virtual reality thing to be experiencing something like that. But I like to be able to click around and go in and feel like I'm moving through the actual museum and being able to view art as I was in the museum and not just sitting in my home or library. I hope I have covered all the aspects needed in this presentation for this assignment, and look forward to hopefully successfully completing this class. Thank you.